Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell items in Roblox. So before you start, you must have a Roblox premium membership to sell items like clothing or limited items. And here's how to sell clothing, and there is a requirement. You must have a Roblox Premium and you own the item. And here are the step-by-step guide. First, go to the Roblox menu and log in and click the menu icon and go to create. Then under creation, select the t-shirt, pants, or t-shirts and click on the gear icon next to your uploaded item. Then here choose configure or configure sales. Toggle the item for sale on and set your price in Robux, then click Save. And to sell a limited or limited U items, there's a requirement. Roblox Premium and you own a limited item. Just go to the inventory and find the limited or limited U item, then click on the item and click the three dots on the right corner and then choose the sell. Enter your price in Roblox and click sell. And important notes. Roblox takes 30% marketplace fee. Only limited to UGC items can be resold, and you can't sell free items. Items from the avatar shop or items you didn't upload as buy as limited. And that's how to sell items in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.